Hello everyone. Today I'm here to just share a very dreadful and distressful news with you. Yesterday in my town Kashipur, there happened one disgusting incident. There is one renowned school of Kashipur where some students shot a bullet to a teacher. Really, it is a shameful thing for whole the society, where we think that gurus. What is the value of gurus? When we think about guru, so since our childhood, we have listened this doha that Guru Govind दो खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए means the place of a teacher is always above than God. Yet in today's scenario, it is totally falsehood, we can say, because nobody is giving respect to them, while a teacher dedicated his whole life to the welfare of students, and whenever he or she is at home as well, that they always think of something or the other for the sake of their students, because their life always revolve around teachers, around students only. But I don't know in this scenario what happened to the students. They are just going to take such an action that is very risky for their future and for the dignity of teachers as well. uh, Whatever incident happened here, it has just broken heart of every single teacher, because we don't expect too much from the society. We expect only respect. But nowadays students are not paying respect, and they are not listening to someone. If we are talking about simple fight, so we are listening lots of newses about that students has just beaten the particular teacher, and it happened with them, and that happened with this. But it is really out of limit that any student is just shooting out one teacher. Means life is so fragile for them. They are not thinking that what they are doing with their teacher, the teacher who has given them enormous moment, and full of life. Their education is devoted to them only. But what they are thinking about their teacher, uh, they are not thinking that what should be done for the grace of our teacher. But somewhere they are misleading with the fact that what are the moral values. Yes, and who is responsible for this kind of act? I think those we can say parents and society, because nowadays the relation that has been made between teacher and a student, it is totally disruptive. Because if there is a small incident, if any teacher is called or say bad words to someone, and if there is a trivial thing as well, that parents always just visit to school and scold that teacher in front of students, and they try to get him punished. But it should not be like that. We should think wisely that what is the situation and how we can handle it. If we are not paying respect to our teachers, to the teachers of our students. So how your children is will give respect to their teacher, because whatever they are seeing, they are doing whatever they are observing, and they are just reflecting with the glimpse of each deed. And so just think wisely. If there is any problem, so there is solution. Just make conversation and find out solution. Don't take them to that thinking that that is going to give you result in this dreadful deed. Really, it's very disgusting, and it is going to leave a bad effect, a ferocious effect on the mind and heart of those small kids. Those are studying in that particular school, because somewhere parents would be afraid of sending them to the school, that how the atmosphere is there, and how safe is our children's life there. So there are so many things we need to think. And first of all, those who are creating these kind of nonsense, I don't know that what is the mentality of those students, and how and in what kind of circumstances they are doing everything. I think there is a lack of discussion and conversation as well, because and somewhere lacking of moral values, because nowadays nobody is paying attention on moral values. For everyone, money, success, and self respect is everything. But above that, we should think, if you just want to get respect, so in return you are also supposed to give respect. And if there is one post that is called teacher, so teacher is a guru, teacher is a mentor, teacher is a future planner. Okay, so if you are not thinking about them, if you are giving this drastic task with the life of teachers, so how they will feel comfortable, how they will able to give their 100% with the students. Somewhere it is not the speak of their growth or their worth value, but it is the speak of their prestige, that is going into vanish day by day. Yes, and I would say that really it was really disgusting. And if you find someone, those who are not giving value to this relationship, so try to make them understand that what is the relation between a teacher and a student. Since our childhood, we have listened lots of things that this is a holy relationship, and no other relationship is so respectful as a teacher and student relationship. But actually I have no words. This incident has been proved a ferocious deed for me. Somewhere, as I am passionate about teaching and I'm doing my dream job. Dream job doesn't mean that you are getting good money. Dream job is that you are passionate about something. This is your passion. You want to give your 100% for the sake of future, and to give something, and to give and to add values in making the future of the country. And we are doing our job with our 100% dedication, but in return what we are getting, this is really shameful. These kind of incidents are always heartbroken, and these are going to give you no result. Even these are just disturbing each and every single child, those who are kids, those who are teenagers, and those who are youngster one. Because somewhere it is said now that everyone is not bad. Sometimes the circumstances are bad, but we should think deeply about those circumstances, that what are the reason of those circumstances and how we can overcome on those problems. Okay. And but the thing that happened with that teacher, it is really miserable. He is just in the he is just between life and death. He is just counting his breath. Really, it is disheartening. I think we should do something in this direction. And if you want to share your views, you can share. Thank you. I don't have anything to say. Bye.